Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can hide a chat online and after that where you can find it. But first I wanted to mention that don't forget to subscribe because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy, how you can make money online. So first open the app, then you have to click and hold 1 or 2 seconds your finger on the chat, and then it will pop up a menu, so hide or to pin chat. And if you want to hide it, click on the hide again, and then if you want to find that hidden chat, then go to your home menu, which is at the bottom of the screen, then click on the settings, which is at the top right corner. Then you can see at the general section the chats option, click on that, scroll down, and the last option is hidden chats, and here you can see my hidden chat. So if you want to unhide it, you have to click on that edit option and click on the unhide chat, and then it will appear between the chats again. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing and see you in the next one. Bye bye.